ASA and SAS, we will discuss the few more examples because other students too have
Excuse me, ma'am.
absent for the. Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, can you please tell me all the criteria which we have, ma'am? I couldn't note it down that day.
Okay. First one is triple-S congruence criterion. This is under congruence of triangles, Raghav. Under congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangles. We have, there are 4 different ways, criterions we are checking. Triple-S congruence, that means side. It is very easiest to one, children. Side. We need to check sides, whether all sides of one triangle should be congruence to other sides of other triangle. If it is true, means we can write it as under SSS congruence, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Next one, SAS. SAS means side.
Angle side.
But here, one thing you need to remember, children. Where angle, suppose angle included sides. Angle, which angle we are taking is very important.
Yes,
Side.
ma'am. Ma'am, can I read that point, ma'am?
Yes, please read out.
Yes, ma'am. If under a correspondence, two sides
First one also, please. From first one. Jait, first one read, then SAS, then ASA.
Ma'am, first one SSS, right? Yes, ma'am. I'm taking that. Yes, ma'am. If under a given correspondence, the 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Ma'am, now SAS. If under a correspondence, 2 sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to 2 corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Ma'am, should I read the ASA congruent?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. If under a correspondence, 2 angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to 2 corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then triangle are congruent.
Just, children, here we are comparing 2 triangles. That's all, children. First triangle, if you are taking, suppose any one triangle you take and another triangle, you are comparing first sides. Which sides are congruent? According to order only you will write. Then SSS congruence will be over. Coming to AS.
Ma'am, like I'm not able to identify. They'll give a triangle and say what among the four formulas.
By seeing only you can identify, children. If you understand, by seeing only you can identify. Because last one is right angled hypotenuse. That is okay. Sides are equal means obviously you will go with the first one. Only middle one we have to ASA and SAS. ASA is nothing.
Then what is SS, ma'am?
SAS is only more simple because sides bounded by angle. Suppose if I am taking these 2 sides, means which is the angle bounded by the sides? This one.
Yes,
suppose if I'm taking triangle, this is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. This angle is or else just a minute, children. Suppose this is ABC.
Ma'am, like we'll use SAS only for the isosceles triangle.
Not like that, not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. RHS means what is RHS, children?
Ma'am,
Right angle
hypotenuse.
Right hypotenuse side.
Yes, ma'am.
Hypotenuse side.
Yes, right hypotenuse side. This is applicable for only right angle triangle, children. According to Pythagoras theorem also we discussed. This is only for your right angle triangle. Now we will go with RHS first, children. Then I will help you the rest of the 2 parts. Anyway, we have one exercise complete, all mixed exercises there. 7.2. That time we will see which property is exactly suited over there we came to know. Then okay. Next one, you see which one we supposed to RHS congruence, children. In this yeah, in this RHS congruence, hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse, children? If you take any triangle, which is the hypotenuse? A, B, C, I'm taking here. So which is the hypotenuse here?
The longest side.
Longest side is the hypotenuse. By seeing which is the longest side here?
A to C.
Which is the longest side, ma?
A to C.
A to C. Suppose if A to C is 8 centimeters, you think. This is angle B is given right angle. Not only hypotenuse, one side of right angle triangle also given as 3 centimeters. This is from the triangle ABC is given. Another triangle is given as some R, P, Q. At P they gave right angle. At P they gave right angle. And hypotenuse longest side as RQ is given as 8 centimeters. And one of the other side, that means leg, one of the leg is given as 3 centimeters. By seeing only we can say that these two triangles are congruent under RHS.
Right hypotenuse side.
Why? Can you please tell?
Ma'am,
According to this,
right hand.
RQ same.
according to our RHS, which one we supposed to check? Hypotenuse and legs should be same. Which is hypotenuse here? AC. AC which is similar to AC.
RQ. AC is congruent to RQ.
RQ. Right.
But
And-
P is congruent to B because they are both are right angle.
And one of the leg AB is given. AB which is congruent to RP. RP. And where is right angle? Angle B equal to angle P.
Equal to PQ.
Angle P and angle B should be equal to 90 degrees. Now you have to say, children, which two triangles are congruent? Come on. please.
Ma'am,
And BCA is equal to PQR.
Suppose if I'm taking,
no, ma'am.
please
Ma'am,
think and tell.
ABC is congruent to RPQ.
Congruent parts, if you make as the congruent parts as same, then your task is over. No.
Right angle, right, ma'am. Right angle is P.
What,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am, first we should start with right angle, right?
In this, we have to start with right angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
That's what.
then
So BC
hypotenuse.
I'm
Children,
sorry.
in RHS, which is first here?
Right.
Then which is second?
Hypotenuse.
Then which is side? Same procedure you have to start.
And so BAC is equal to PRQ.
Which one, ma?
And the answer.
Answer is,
BCA equal to PQR.
suppose if you take as RPQ, same take it as RPQ.
RPQ is congruent to ABC.
Is it ABC? Once again, please check it.
Yes, ma'am. RPQ.
Very good. Suppose I'm taking with RPQ. RPQ. Triangle RPQ, which is congruent to
But how? Ma'am, right angle. Okay.
right angle and P
ABC.
only. What, ma?
You told that right angle should come first, right?
First means angle. Where is angle? You just see angle is at P.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle. Yeah, you just say angle.
Is it like PRQ or? Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm telling, PRQ, because your right angle and hypotenuse.
Children, 1 minute, children. This is RHS, right? Right angle. Where is right angle? At P. At P. In upper figure, where is right angle? B. So start with right angle hypotenuse. We won't come right here. If you take like that, how you will get here?
PRQ is ma'am. We can go with PQR, right, ma'am?
PQR. Very good. You can go with PQR.
And PQR is congruent to BCA.
BCA. BCA.
Yeah, ma'am. That's what.
That's all. That's all, children. Please write down. Starts with triangle PQR, which is congruent, or is the first triangle. If you take first B.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav, BCA, which is congruent to
PCA is congruent to PQR.
triangle PQR. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. Here hypotenuse side is also
That's all.
congruent.
That's all. That's all.
1 minute, ma'am.
Next. Shall I give one more figure, children, so that you can recognize? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
identify.
1 minute, ma'am. We are noting them.
Ma'am, can you please give us one more question to?
Yes, we will go with one more.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, will we do quizzes today?
Yes, we will go with the step by step, children.
Ma'am, is it correct if we write ABC is congruent to RPQ?
No,
A,
no,
B,
because it is not.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute, please listen. This you can write in any way. A, B, C is congruent to order should not RPQ is also correct.
Ma'am, you told that it should
Because
be in a
congruent
correct
parts you are
way.
writing. Don't think like whether you when you are writing the congruent parts are similar or not. You supposed to check. Anyway, it is
I have
right
a
angle
doubt, ma'am.
triangle. Yes, please.
Ma'am, when you're forming, ma'am, when you're forming
Not,
RH,
no need of in this RHS first right angle should come hypotenuse then side. You can write in any way, but order should not change. If you take RH as R as first, H anything, you just
then
see
how-
right angle. No, where is
right? Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
ma'am, then how A will be the right angle, ma'am? And the hypotenuse side is, oh, I'm left.
I'm left.
Ma'am is leaving the island. Ma'am,
children? Are you there?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I did.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Children, 1 minute. Someone is in waiting room. Yes, who are there in waiting room? Did they join?
Ma'am, I think Gohit has
Yes,
allowed them, ma'am. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Nikhil joined.
You joined, Nikhil? Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am, because, ma'am, as A is not the right angle, no, ma'am, how we can take it?
No, my dear, where is boy? Suppose if you take directly angle at B, we can here which one?
Ma'am?
Let me take.
Ma'am?
1 minute, children, please.
Ma'am, I
Let me
cannot see
finish.
your screen.
You are unable to see. 1 minute, I will share once again. Yeah, if you see children, first if you supposed to see here, where is right angle? As Raghav, just listen, Ritvika. As Raghav said, ma'am, why can't we should write ABC is congruent to RPQ? In this way, if you write also, is it he followed order or not? First, let us check it first. AB, what is AB congruent side of another triangle? Yes. RP. And at B, right angle is there. So B at right angle, here P at right angle, exactly here. Then what is BC length, children? BC length, we don't know. Of course, AC length is order. This is AC length. If you take it as AC, another side, ABC is congruent to, no, we can't write Raghav. Raghav, we can't write. Raghav, we can't write here.
Ma'am, why, ma'am?
Why means you just see, suppose AB is matching with R. What about BC? BC we don't know here.
And also, what about CA, ma'am? Because they are
That's okay. Let it be another thing somewhere. We don't know unknown thing. How you say which is say, congruent to each other? Right, Raghav? Did you understand my point, Raghav?
Ma'am, I think A is the congruent.
Ma'am, then even what you wrote, triangle BCA is congruent to triangle PQR.
Of course, Raghav. If you write also, you can even try like that. How you can try? Suppose if I'm taking like a triangle, first hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse, side I should take. Right angle, where is right angle? So that's why I started with right angle. Hypotenuse, I can't take right directly. I can't take hypotenuse here. If I'm taking with angle directly here, so ABC is congruent to ABC is congruent to RPQ. You said RPQ. We can't write, Raghav. We can't write unknown thing. We can't write. We don't know about whether those are congruent or not, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Oh,
ma'am.
that's why we are unable to write. Let me go with one more example. Then it is very clear for you. Let me take one more example. Suppose I'm taking triangle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
At right angle A. Yeah, Jait, listen sometime, then I will help you. This is B. AB length we don't know. The hypotenuse is given as our condition. Hypotenuse and one of the legs should be given. That is a rule for RHS. So hypotenuse is given as 9 centimeters. And here what is one of its leg is given as 5 centimeters. Don't worry about other leg. In another triangle, what is given in another triangle? In another triangle, right angle at Q, and this hypotenuse RP is given as 8 centimeters. One of its leg is given as 5 centimeters. Now
Actually, they
our
are not congruent, ma'am, because
By
the
seeing-
hypotenuse.
by seeing you're telling these two are not congruent to each other. Why you can say? Because you need to first of all check right angle at right angle at Q right angle, which is equal
Ma'am,
to
here
9.
hypotenuse length is 9 and second triangle's hypotenuse.
Very good, very good. By seeing only hypotenuse, if you take here BC length, which is non-congruent to BC is not congruent to RP. Yes, because 9 is not equal to 8. So we can say that this is non-congruent to each other. Right, children? In this case, it is failures. Go with one more example. Let me take another example.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, like suppose I give a right angled triangle, and they asked that in these what should we
You have to see only right angle, hypotenuse, one of leg. You should match with right angle.
Yes, ma'am. So we should put that at RHS, right?
Yes, this is RHS only we are discussing right now. Based on RHS congruence, it is congruent parts are equal. So we can say that given triangle is congruent to other triangle PQR. You just see PQR. Here 3 centimeters is given. This is right angle given. Hypotenuse is given as 6 centimeters. Coming to the other triangle is given like that, children. At right angle is given at E and hypotenuse as 6 centimeters. And one of its leg is given as 3 centimeters. Which two triangles are congruent here?
And the congruent, ma'am, by
Yeah,
QR.
which two triangles are congruent here?
Ma'am, can you name the sides first?
Oh, I didn't mention the name, the sides of FED, F-E-D, FED.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so QRP is congruent to. Ma'am, QRP is congruent to EFD. QRP is congruent to EFD.
P is congruent to
EFD, ma'am, not FED. EFD.
Very good.
FD.
FD. Good. Both are congruent to each other. Why can't we write it as DEF here? Sorry, EDF here. If I take as
Ma'am,
ED as
because the
first,
hypo-
what happen? Yes, it is not matched, children. If you observe here,
hypotenuse
QR
is
length
not
should be
matched.
equal to EF. QR length should be equal to EF.
Because here
And
FD is the hypotenuse and here
ED
RP
length should be matched with the QP. You just like that also you can check, children, QP. Yes, it is matched. Everything is congruent. So that we can write it as QRP, which is congruent to EFD.
FD.
Right. Next, one more question, please look at the same way. One more bit. These are very simple questions, children. We will go with some complex bit here. This is a triangle. Okay, or else we will go with another, yeah. This is one triangle. In this triangle, this is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Suppose if I'm taking the PQR triangle, S is, yes.
For PQR is congruent to PRS. Oh, okay.
In this case, which two triangles are congruent? Please tell.
Sorry, ma'am, 1 minute. SQP is congruent to SRP.
Very good. Yes, Q, P.
Is
Yes,
congruent
Q
to
is congruent to
SRP.
yes, R, P. Very good. But here, common side, which is common side, ma? Here we can use some more criterion also we can think, children. Why? How you can think? Let me know.
Because
Suppose.
here 2 triangles are there.
1 minute.
One angle is there and 2 sides are there.
Yeah. No. Here, if suppose this is common side, if you take it as this as a common side, what happens? Please let me know. Is there any other congruence criterion we can apply over here?
I think yes. Side.
Very good.
Side
Very
angle
common
also.
side. No, because it is an isosceles triangle. Base angles also equal. You know, isosceles triangles having base angles equal. Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am, I know that.
That's why I'm asking. Is any other way is there to express over here? Suppose.
Yeah,
Side.
ma'am, side angle side also is there. Side
Yes,
angle.
ma'am, side angle.
Side angle side, but we don't know about a QS whether it is S is a midpoint. If S is midpoint means definitely we can use
Ma'am, we can use
side
the
angle side congruence also. Very good. Very good. If S is midpoint, they particularly mention the word means we can use another congruence tool also. Children. But in this case, they didn't mention about anything. So no need of worrying about. By seeing this, which two triangles are congruent right now? Please let me know. Yes, QP is congruent to
SRP.
Ma'am, SRP.
SRP. That's all, children. Shall I give one more bit?
Ma'am, can you go with this?
One more
No,
bit.
ma'am,
let
one
me-
more bit. Ma'am, one more
One
bit.
more. Children, wait, children. This many we solve also still we are getting little confusion. So we will go with a few more examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we
Normal
will.
one like.
Uh,
Ma'am, is it done, ma'am? Yesterday only.
Yes, ma'am, we done.
Okay, but here yesterday some other angles are given. Today we will take with right angles. Nana, these angles we will take with the right angles.
Okay, ma'am, right angle.
This you take it as right angles. So that time, suppose of course if it is taken as
Ma'am,
A,
can you name the name and can you?
yeah, I'm just taking A, B, C, D. C and D are right angles, and the AC length is given as 2 centimeters, and here BD length is given as 2 centimeters, and the AB length is given as 3.5 centimeters.
Ma'am, so CBA is congruent to DAB.
Which Nana, one thing, Nana, if you are going to understand more better, simply you can cut the triangles where if you place the triangular shapes on each other will exactly.
Yes, ma'am. So we can
If
do
you are
like.
able to identify that, your task is over, children.
Ma'am, I can identify, ma'am. CBA is congruent to DAB.
So here C,
BA.
CAB.
No, ma'am,
According-
CBA.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
CAB is congruent to DAB.
No,
One
ma'am.
minute, 1 minute. No.
Ma'am,
C,
CBA because
C.
hypotenuse.
yeah, C, B. Let me take with another colors, children. C, B.
CBA.
Yeah, very good. CBA is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
CBA.
CBA is congruent to DAB.
DAB.
Which one?
And
Which
D
one,
is
Anna?
right angle and A is the hypotenuse. B is the short side.
D.
AB.
Right, children. Correct. You are correct. D, A, B. Like that,
Have we
slowly
done
we
this?
can do the sums, children. Where we are taking, we are writing. Let me. Okay, now I am not going to give anything. You people give the answer for the question. Next part. One minute, children. Students are waiting.
Hey.
Next, shall I give combination of questions, children? Okay, one more question, children. One more question. This is only the congruent parts are given. A, this is one, this is both are equal. B and C is given. These are at right angles. Already we did this, but naming are different. Now please let me know.
DBA is congruent to
DBA is congruent to
DCA.
DBA is congruent to
DCA.
D.
DCA.
Very good. DCA. That's all, children.
Ma'am, can we go with Kusman? This is all order.
Yes. Yes. Can I give all combination of questions together? Then you can.
Yes, ma'am. Give all combination of questions.
Then it is. And one more thing, Jait is asking about ASA. One bit I will help for Jait. Then
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
start together. Because Jait continuously asking.
Ma'am, he
about-
asked it. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no. One bit I will help him. Then he can try to understand the question ultimately. This is no, not. He is asking about SAS congruence.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a D, E, F. Angle is given as 40 degrees. So, bounded sides means DF and FD is given as 3 centimeters, and this is
Ma'am,
given as
ma'am, the middle part, that acute part is 40 degrees, right?
no, angle, wherever angle is there, that
Yes, ma'am.
arms we can take. That is the sides of the
Okay, ma'am.
bounded angle, right?
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
coming to the next figure, what is the another figure is given here?
Ma'am, DE, what is the
Measure, no need of giving, only we need two sides in SAS. So
Okay, ma'am.
SAS means side and one
Angle
angle. Two sides and one angle should be given,
Okay,
children.
ma'am. Ma'am, means we should find the third angle.
Yeah, no need of finding third angle also here.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
you need to make it as congruent parts, as which parts are equal here. You're supposed to check it. This is P, Q, R. So this angle is given as 40, and this side is given as 3 centimeters, and this is given as 3.5 centimeters. Now, which
Ma'am, DFE, excuse me, ma'am, can I tell Raghav?
Raghav, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first side will take as DF.
Yes,
Angle is
yes.
already F. So DFE is congruent to
Ma'am,
PRQ.
DFE is congruent to
PRQ.
Very
no,
good.
ma'am.
PRQ only correct. PRQ only correct, my dear. How?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Order should not be changed, children.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to see
Ma'am, if we
3.5.
took like this, DEF means PQ only should come. Means now we took as DFE.
No, we can,
So we should take
We can't
PRQ.
take DEF.
Yes, ma'am.
because we need an angle.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
because we don't have any measure
Angle.
of that.
Yeah. The angle should be
Okay,
these
ma'am.
two sides only needed. So then if this side is also given, we don't no use for us. Only we need wherever angle is
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
that arms should be given. That arm's
Okay,
length
ma'am.
should be given. That's all. If you know that, you can find easily SIS congruence. Now we will go with the small
Okay, ma'am.
quiz children. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We can go with any position.
Yeah. Because this chapter needs a lot of practice, children. It's not because I'm telling you are able to understand, but once again the question is given, you may get a blank face because we need many practices in this. I will give continuous weeks this chapter for testing, children. Don't worry, be patient, try to write the test. If you are having any difficulties also, let me know so that we can
Excuse me, ma'am.
go.
Ma'am, can you give us like a worksheet, ma'am, in the group, and
Practice.
the triangle should not be in the ordinary shape, ma'am. Should be like tilted or something, so that
Yeah,
we
okay.
get confused.
Okay, right, Raghav.
I'm our army chief first class.
Yeah, yesterday, yeah, he was no more.
Ma'am,
right?
his name is Bipin Rawat.
Yeah, yeah, very great personality. We missed it. That's irreparable loss to us children. Our
Ma'am,
India,
can you give quiz?
yeah, we will go with.
Ma'am, see all about type okay.
Any issues, children? Please let me know. Any problem? Vallabha?
Ma'am, go with the
Children, come to the practice session because practice only gives you perfect in this concept. We'll go with the many practice sums. This is all types of
Ma'am, are you giving quiz on all three?
no, all four.
Ah, sorry, all four.
Yeah, there is no such thing a congruence of two triangles. Why, children? Can you tell?
Ma'am,
Because they are of the same shape, but they can't be the same size.
yeah, ma'am, they can.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
we
very
can't
good,
measure,
very good.
ma'am. We can't measure the length of the angle, so A property is not
Listen, children. Two triangles with equal corresponding angles need not be congruent. That's need not be congruent. Why? Because correspondence. Suppose one of them can be enlarged copy of other, but angles should be same, right? If enlarged copy means what happens? Angle is the same, but length will be changed, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, then what we can, one condition we can give there, when they are congruent, if they are exact copies, if they're exact measures, then only we can say it is possible, right? So that's why we didn't have some AAA congruence. Just a minute, children. How many questions you want, children? Can you go with the
20.
20?
10, ma'am. 10 is enough. We can have more.
Because this is a little tough, children. 10 questions you try accurately, children.
Ma'am, and time also.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, keep a limit of time.
Yeah, I thought maybe today your class was because just 5:50 I came from school, children. The Hindi exam today for the 10th class students.
Ma'am, board exams.
Board exams only. No?
Ma'am, board exams are in the month of March.
Ma'am, but you said that you only have to correct the paper and send it.
We are evaluators. That's why we are having the time till 5:50.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, actually.
Ma'am,
Which-
did you correct the Hindi paper?
No, every paper because Hindi teachers won't come, children. Rest all the teachers will come and do that task because all are MCQs nowadays. No written part, only multiple choice questions. No subjective
board
paper.
exams are in March, right, ma'am?
No, this year particularly CBSE conducted November 1 first term. This is the first time of CBSE board exams. 10th class having 2 terms. In the first term, they're writing only MCQ pattern of test, children.
Ma'am, even for ICSE, the same is happening, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute, children. It is reading. It takes time. Be patient. Please join everyone, children. Don't everyone should join the quiz. There are
Yes, ma'am.
The link.
Ma'am, where's the link? It's not in the chat.
no,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
1 minute. I'm sharing, children. Many are congruences are happening for class 10, class 8, class 9, but class 7 having very less. Very, very less. Okay. Basic classes.
Okay, ma'am.
This base is perfect means when anyway senior classes again same thing will happen. Children. Class 9 especially, class 8 I think I know not about anything. Class 9 you have much about this concept. Yeah. Come on children, please join the quiz. I'm sharing with you. Yeah, in chat box I already shared. Join.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No.
Come on children, please join quickly.
Ma'am, and we don't want basic.
It's exactly, yeah, I will stop that part. Don't worry.
Ma'am, did I join?
I can see only 4 students are there, 5. Raghav, Jait, Aditi, Ritvik and Sri Vallabha.
I'm not able to join.
Gohit unable to join. How you will do no? Questions, practice questions, how you will, or else you have textbook with you.
Ma'am,
Gohit.
Ma'am, I sent the link
Gohit,
again,
right?
ma'am.
Ma'am, I
didn't
don't have the
receive it.
Chanakya textbook, ma'am. I'll try attending another quizzes.
Please practice in congruence of triangles from that. What Srishti, you need one more, you need once again, shall I share link with you?
Yes, ma'am, because I didn't receive it yet.
Okay, now you please check it.
Yes, ma'am, I found.
Okay.
Ma'am, are you going to start?
Ma'am, you start off, ma'am.
Oh,
Everybody who joins can directly start off their
Oh.
own.
All the best, children.
Ma'am, no music.
Yeah, I will start music.